What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you where you can stake USDC or USDT stable coins and earn APY. Before I show you the places, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first place, everybody's known, Coinbase. So with the Coinbase, what you really need to do, you just need to purchase USDC and hold, and you actually have to activate. So let's go to my assets, and then in here just press on cash, and right here I only have like a few pennies of USDC, but what you can do right here, you can see earn 4.1 APY on USDC. And for example, if you don't see deposit USDC, most likely this is going to be switched to start earning or something like that. You press on it and then you confirm or approve, and then if you're gonna have in your wallet any USDC, you're gonna start earning 4.1%. and this is it. You don't have to do anything. It's just gonna be automatically depositing to your balance, and your balance just gonna keep increasing. You don't actually have to lock it or do anything. You can move anytime. So this is literally the easiest place where you can stake your USDC. Second place, it's on Uniswap, app.uniswap.org. Once you go here, you'll have to connect your wallet, but in this case I'm just showing you how to do that. What you need to do, you need to press on pool, and in here you'll have to provide liquidity. The safest way, if you just provide two stable coins, USDC and USDT. Then once this is gonna appear, just press on explore more options, and then in here we just need to search for it, and you can either type USDC and USDT, or in my case it's already popped up, so just press on it and it's gonna open up the pool. In this case, in here you're gonna be earning 6.57%, and to start earning you just have to hold both USDC and USDT on Ethereum blockchain, and then press on add liquidity, and of course over here you just have to press on continue. Just go through this process and select exactly how much would you like to provide and stake, and for how long, and then you just press on continue, and right here the minimum amount and then minimum amount for both, and then you have to connect your wallet and just go through the step, and you'll be able to lock it up. And of course you have an option to lock it up for day, week, month, year, or all times, whatever you choose to do. So in here you get slightly higher return, but your token needs to be locked up. On Uniswap you'll be getting 6.5%. And then in the third place, it's on BitUnix centralized exchange. This is like one of my favorite centralized exchanges because you're not required to do KYC for any trade, for anything, with an exception if you're going to be purchasing cryptocurrency using your bank card like Visa or MasterCard. Other than that, you don't need to do KYC, and if you're actually going to verify like your phone email, then your withdrawal is going to increase dramatically. But in here we're just going to be talking about how to earn or stake USDT. In here, once you log in, you'll just have to create an account. Super easy. You're not going to go through this process. You just have to press on earn, and then flexible or fixed term, you press on it. This page is going to appear, and right here there's a couple options. You can lock USDT on flexible for 8.4% max, then you'll subscribe and redeem at any time. And then of course there are also different terms: 7 days, 14, 30, and 60 days, and the higher you're gonna lock it up, the better percentage you're gonna get. But there is also different options available. So for this one you're gonna get the most, but there's a still little caveat. If we press on subscription right here, so to get this percentage you're gonna have to lock it up from 0 to 300. If you're gonna lock something more, then you will be getting 4.5%. so if you lock up 301 or even a little bit more, then your percentage is gonna decrease to 4.5, but you can always take it out or redeem anytime, so there is not really a locking period. So this is my favorite one. You just can go in here, no KYC, nothing, invest as much as you would like to, and then just subscribe and start earning. And this is pretty much it. I'm sure there's probably many other places where you can stake and earn from stable coins because they're most safest assets. I found Coinbase, Uniswap, and BitUnix, probably one of the easiest places where you can stake and earn. And I'm gonna leave all links in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.